Okay, we have reached now.
Where we have reached?
I thought of going to have some tea, but my gosh, look
What?
at
What?
your tooth.
What is?
So
What?
red and so dirty.
Huh?
Let's go.
What?
Firstly, we clean your tooth.
Huh?
Then we can go have some tea.
Really?
Let's go. Here.
How is
Oh,
my tooth? Is
it's
bad or
very-
what?
It's very dirty.
Huh.
It's so red. It's so red.
Red?
Full of Kwai. I saw there's a dental clinic here.
Where? Where?
There, Smilebee.
Huh?
Yes, there is a Smilebee there. Let's go clean your tooth now because it's fully red.
Is it that bad or what?
It's very red. My gosh.
What do you say, guys?
I'm not
Comment
gonna kiss
below.
you anymore if your tooth is so red.
You're
Let's
not
go.
gonna kiss me.
Yes. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go then.
It is in the first floor actually. It is in the first floor mo.
First
Ada
floor.
don mono ki bakwa ban put kui ki Bniat ki jong pi dan ne pen implant ki Bniat ki jong pi pila ban wan ha kane the clinic ka don ha bon Nongpoh mo hadin jo kane ka Miracle Plaza ngatharai barok kitip ya kata mo ha first floor pila ban wan. Smilebee Dental Clinic.
Smilebee. How do I look like a Smilebee?
No, you don't. Afterward you will look like
that?
yes.
Uh-huh.
Let's go. Doctor. Ako abanan man kuy ka biya je ini doctor ngate. Tengi nang sedap shim appointment mo na ini doctor. The kala de ka number ka jingi tengi sakit sakot ini. We wait and we will clean your tooth, we shine it.
It's not that bad.
Em ka jabok ma ka biya ka jong pi.
Huh?
Kala sau plat.
It's not that bad.
Em ta sau plat. Pek tu ima ba.
Is it bad? Comment below. Is it bad or what?
Have take me here before also.
Yes, I have taken
nama
you
bang
before
adon
here.
ka Bniat mo ka ba mi sa side ka kunjut baha kala at hiro te hadin yaki wan yalam yang ahang ni mo hai ni doctor te hadin pat te ila pen put no iti ki Bniat ki jonga te mentapat ngam ton jing tut shure danga bam ne danga thagi ki eru kam don jing tut mo kampang shi hirero ning kong te long ka don ka to Bniat sa side mo ka ta hadu sha kli ru nama fiti bi ka Bniat da don ka jing pang po ka Bniat ka tha shi kli mo te na du bangawan hang ne pat ngayo ka treatment ni doctor mo te ngam don jing tut shu menta kala byang bha te I akiri la juwan ya lam teng mo hang ne ki khna menshua ban pen eye treatment te menta pat ngwan sa nam ta I Paduh aki.
Yes.
Be inyo ka treatment be pen khut be Pynlieh no shut here kana ka Bniat ka jong I menta.
And I have also experienced once
Yes,
here.
I have told that.
You have already told.
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. Because unfortunately, I don't speak Kasi yet that much. Like that's good. So.
Em
But
suki pat
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Mo, Day. What's dere?
Huh.
Dere means
Nothing.
Yeah.
It's like that. Oh. Okay. Let's go clean my white tooth. Come. Hello, doctor.
Please, have a seat.
Thank you very much. Nice. It's automatic. Goes like that.
Yes.
Okay guys, so now is my time to clean my white tooth. Will take approximately 30 minutes, doctor, right?
Yes.
Alright, so let's go.
Paduh aki.
Clean tooth now. Wow, look at how clean is my tooth now. Can smile again. No white tooth more. Like that. Take like a 30 minutes. Tooth are clean. Feels good. Almost actually slept in the chair because it was very comfortable and it didn't hurt at all. So, and doctor, how much you take for the cleaning usually?
Usually 1,500.
Okay, so that's the one thing here in Nongpoh, because here we have a good dental clinic named Smilebee. So you don't need to go Shillong or Guwahati if you want to clean your tooth. 1,500 you will get for all of your tooth cleaned nicely, good doctor, and very comfortable. It didn't hurt at all. And like I say, I almost slept in the chair. Now it's my wife's turn. Let's go.
Doctor mo, then I'm going to quick and check out the Bniat. But ngadon mo i-mention again, di Implant Bniat again. Di pila naman pagtuloy ka Bniat kejung i?
Actually, we have
Hot.
kidan company mah.
Hot.
Itu di pemdan Bniat em.
Hot.
Nila ban sung kidan bonjai mah. Tanpa menta ki latest kini em. Kiba kilak bon ki dentist nila follow ya kene. Ni tap di kini ki implant kilong pun ki screw. Just like a screw. This is called an implant. Tinggi tap ya kini ki implant kumne and then it's a pendai Bniat menjerong kumne.
Ti mlini kada pi bang do ne pi bang jane ikan tut ra ne pi.
Yeah, ma'am. Kato, it's the best thing. It's just like having a natural tooth because the implant will replicate the root of your tooth.
So buat dah bam dah kan dengan jentut lah kan. Kalau natural bet kun ka Bniat ka bersisa ni kan. Biang tangan sampai in menjongan dengan pendai Bniat no. Ya mo tung Bniat. Tengok kau pin check ka Bniat ka jonga mo. Nama masih ngadon kung masuk kumang nangabam ekis sakut deh ka Bniat. Te ngakau pin check up deh.
Baby, are you afraid of the doctors, like the tooth doctors?
I'm not afraid anymore because I have already been here. Kalau juan teng menshwa, ti ini doktor mo ila pen ya rabi kene ka Bniat jonga nama ngadon ka jingtut kene ki Bniat mo. Te ila pen say no itu ka Bniat te mentang am dan jinting sure. I'm not afraid.
And the treatment was good and nice,
Yes.
right?
I know I'm with the right doctor.
Yeah. So actually she had 2 impaction in her lower both right and left side, and we have already taken out both of them in previous year. So she's fine now.
I'm absolutely
doing well.
fine.
Fine and healthy, still alive.
Yes.
Kemudian ni bulan raga jimbang penyang ni.
Thì cũng bao phim mình mình tamo bị Paduh aki kebiat kerja ki kalakui kalau itenan ha thì ngau nga ha benwan biasa esin ngau shim appointment ni doktor mo ban kui ya dekat Bniat kerja ngana nama kamdan sugar infection tang bang asu ha ben kui ki jimbang ki balalang mo kila kala mau dengan hak wan biasa ni obviously nga recommend semua ya official ada video no no macam tu nak Bniat kerja ki dan depi ko bentung Bniat pila benwan hane ko Nongpoh mo hadir ke Miracle Plaza kadon kene ka dental clinic idon ini Dr. Tyra Suting mo pila benwan hang ni has Smilebee.
And we love having you here every time. Please come for your regular checkup because sometimes you don't realize your tooth is having a problem, but when the doctor checks it, we can identify it early before it progresses to a worse condition. No? So regular checkup is very important.
Yes, it is very important, and as in Finland we say that when your mouth is clean, you know your body is clean. So that's what it is.
And you should always smells good because when you talk to others, if your mouth smell, you don't feel good, right?
Yeah.
It's good now.
Yes.
Okay then. Yes.
And now you can kiss me, right?
Yes,
because
of
before you
course.
say that you don't kiss me, right?
Yes, I can kiss you.
Okay, so now I got the kiss.
Yes, we highly recommend you guys to come
Definitely.
here.
God bless you all and see you in the next episode. When, where, what, I don't know, only God knows, but see you then. Bye. Here is the location, here in Nongpoh, right? Everybody knows where is a SBI bank. Here it is, on that building, first floor. Smilebee! Smile!